Do you spend hours planning your budget every month, stressing over every single number? What if I told you that AI could do it all for you in just 10 seconds? Seriously, 10 seconds. Stick around because at the end of this video, I'm going to reveal the exact tool I use to make this happen. Let's be real, budgeting is boring. It's stressful, and we always seem to forget something important. A surprise bill pops up, we overspend on takeout again, and suddenly our savings goals are out the window. It feels like a constant battle, and it's so easy to waste money without even realizing it. But what if you could save hundreds of dollars every month automatically? Keep watching, because I'm about to show you how. First, I just opened up the AI and started plugging in my numbers. I added my monthly income, all my regular expenses like rent, utilities and groceries, and I even put in my financial goals, like saving for a vacation. This part is super straightforward. All you need to do is give the AI the raw data. You'll see the magic happen in just a few seconds, I promise. And just look at this. The moment I finished, the AI instantly created a detailed budget. It broke down everything into clear spending categories, showed me exactly how much I could realistically save, and even gave me personalized recommendations on where to cut back. We're talking $500 in potential savings, and the AI figured this all out in less than 10 seconds. The speed is just going to blow your mind. The tool reveal is coming up at the end, so don't go anywhere. If you want to make sure you never miss another AI finance hack like this one, take a second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Here's a quick pro tip for you. Always categorize your expenses properly when you input them. The more accurate you are, the smarter the AI's suggestions will be. But this isn't just for personal budgets. You can use the same AI for your small business finances or even to get started with investment planning. The difference it makes is huge. Before, my budget was a messy spreadsheet that took forever to update. After AI, it's a clean, automated system that practically runs itself. When you combine AI with smart planning, you just end up with more money in your pocket. Stay tuned, because there's a secret feature I am going to show you that as a total game changer. The AI doesn't just organize your money. It gives you actionable advice. It can analyze your spending and recommend specific areas where you can cut costs. It'll tell you how much you should be saving based on your income and goals, and it can even suggest safe investment options to help your money grow over time. You won't believe how easy it is to finally feel in control of your finances. Let me show you a real example of this in action. Let's say I want to increase my savings goal by 20%. I just adjust that one number and watch this. The AI automatically recalculates my entire budget, adjusts my spending allowances, and even shows me the potential growth if I invest that extra cash. This scenario simulation feature alone can help you find hundreds of dollars in savings you didn't know you had. To get the most out of this, here are 3 quick tips. First, update your data weekly to keep a close eye on your spending. Second, be consistent with your categories. If you call it groceries one week, don't call it food shopping the next. And third, review the AI's investment suggestions at least once a month to stay on track. If you follow these tips, this AI will work just like your own personal financial advisor. And it gets even better. You can plan multiple budgets at the same time. You could have one for your personal life and a completely separate one for your side hustle or small business. The AI can then merge them together to give you a crystal clear, unified view of your entire financial world. Just see how fast you can manage both your personal and business finances with this. Alright, the moment you've been waiting for. The incredible AI tool I've been using is Clio AI. It literally planned my entire monthly budget in 10 seconds and gave me insights that would have taken me hours to figure out on my own. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set it up and use all its advanced features, comment the word "full" down below and I'll make that video for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't work hard, work smart with an iHustle Hub. See you in the next one.